On June 1st, 2025, at around 10:30 p.m. in Sacramento, chaos erupted. She crashed, the flames spread fast, and officers had just seconds to decide: run or rescue. In Sacramento, California, what began as a chase turned into a race against fire. A woman driving a car linked to an armed carjacking tore through a fence near Executive Airport and slammed into dry grass. The impact? Explosive. The fire? Immediate. But 3 officers, Hironaka, Duncan, and Start, didn't hesitate. They scaled the fence, smashed the window, and reached into the smoke. Inside, the driver screaming for help, flames closing in. With 0 time to spare, they dragged her to safety, away from a gas tank moments from igniting. She survived with injuries. She faced charges. But in that moment, those officers weren't chasing a suspect. They were saving a life. This is MemoxAI, where real stories come alive. Let's take a moment to honor and respect the brave men and women in uniform who risk their own lives without hesitation to save others. Your courage, humanity, and sacrifice don't go unnoticed. Thank you. If you found this powerful, please hit like, share it, and subscribe to MemoxAI Studio for more gripping moments from the edge of reality.
Okay.
No, sir.
Let's go around.
Sir. Oh, please help me. Please help me.
We gotta drag you. This is gonna hurt.
It's okay.
Wait, which leg hurts?
No, nothing, I broke.
Okay, we're gonna grab.
It's okay.
Grab the knees. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
We got it.
Ah! Oh my God, my legs are broke. My legs are broke.